Hey there, it's me, Max, the robot with a heart of gold. Do you want to flex your 3D modeling skills to your internet friends? Well, you're in luck. Today's model will take you less than 4 minutes to make. Now, enough with the intro, let's make a manly gear ring for all you Sigmas out there. First off, let's install the Extra Mesh Objects add-on. Go to the Edit tab, Preferences, now Add-ons, and type Extra Mesh. Now select the add-on and check the box next to it. Finally, go to the hamburger menu on the side and select Save Preferences. Congratulations! Now with just a few clicks, you'll be able to create pipe joints, simple stars, Menga sponges, step pyramids, honeycombs, teapots, rocks, diamonds, and the star of today's show, gears. Alright, let's start by adding a gear object. Now let's change its properties. This is what I'm going for. 48 teeth, a base of 0.09, a 0.04 dedendum, 0.05 addendum, and a 10 degrees skew.
But Max, how do we close the gap between the inner edges?
Well, that's easy, little Timmy. We just select both edge loops using Alt plus left click in Edge Select mode. Then we press Ctrl plus E. And finally, we select Bridge Edge Loops. And voila. Now let's add some bevels. Let's shade smooth and turn on auto smooth like so. We made the gear. Now let's make it into a proper ring. We'll add a cylinder object, add an edge loop in the middle, cut it in half, and scale it a bit. Let's extrude it upwards a bit, then extrude these new faces along their normals. What we're looking for a revolved eye shape that can house the gear. Now a mirror modifier along the Z-axis. Inset the top face using eye, extrude it downwards. Make sure there's no clipping. Apply all transforms. Add a subdivision modifier and adjust the bevels. Just be creative. No need to worry about every little detail, my friend. Not bad. Now we'll add a simple metallic material. Create a new material in the Material Properties tab. I went with Cycles. Set the render device as GPU. Turn on Rendered View. Set Metallic to 1 and Roughness around 0.2. Used a preview HDRI for now. But let me show you how to add HDRIs that you downloaded from the internet and implement them into your render. Let's go to the World Properties tab. Click on the Color node next to the yellow dot and choose Environment Texture. Now click on Open and browse your files for the location of the HDRI you downloaded. Found it? Great! Now in the Viewport Shading tab on the top, check the boxes next to Use Scene Lights and Use Scene World. Congratulations! You've successfully applied the HDRI to your scene, and it will now be used for your final render. Now, set up your scene with a simple backdrop, extra lights, and that's all. Time to adjust the camera and hit F12 to render. Congratulations, you've got this far. Here's a cookie. Enjoy it while you flex on the internet. This ring was the 4th in our 30 rings series. Check out the rest on our channel and on our Instagram. I would love for you to join me on my next design adventure. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye.